Now what we need to do is we need to grab the image of the shirt. So what we're going to do is we're just going to copy it and click on one of these blue areas here, and if we pull up the layers, that's where the garment photo is supposed to go. So we've got the front on the left, so we're just going to paste it in. What that's going to do is it's going to embed it into the file. If you see over here, this is how we're going to line it up. So the top of the collar, so since this is a polo and it has that high collar, we're just going to line it up to where the collar on a t-shirt would be. And we're going to go ahead and size up the bottom there. Now what we're going to do is send it back and then grab that blue layer and just go ahead and create a clipping mask. And now we have that shirt contained there. And we're also going to grab the back. So again, copy paste it in on the garment layer. And we're going to go ahead and just get this lined up as well. We'll send it to back with Control-Shift left bracket, select both, make clipping mask. So that looks good there. Next what we would do is in the placement, we would go ahead and we're going to figure out our placements here. And so if we go back to the order, we go to placement location. And so this is a left chest and a full back. Okay, so adding in the placements, if you look on the layers, you're going to see that we have an assortment of placements. So what we're going to do is we already have the left chest set up, and now we need to determine the full back on this design. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick the majority of the size, which is going to be large in this case. And so we're going to do full back large, and we're going to turn that layer on, and you're going to see that it's going to recommend a width of 11 inches.
For 11.
So now that we have that set up, again, we don't need to change the color of these swatches because it's already a black shirt.